In this video, I'm going to show you how you can receive money on Payoneer. So from the main page of Payoneer, we want to go to the second option, which is Get Paid. And right here, you will see Request a Payment, Batch Payment Request, and Receiving Accounts. So we want to select the Receiving Accounts option right here. So in order to receive money on Payoneer, you will first have to set up a account. So right here I've already have 2 accounts set up, but basically I'm going to take you through the process. If you want to receive money from international clients, you want to click on Request Accounts. You will be given some more information how this works. You can read through this. You can select the types of currency that you would like to receive, as well as you can read the guidelines right here. But for this, I'm just going to do Eurozone because I'm from Europe. And then you want to select Next at the bottom. You're requesting receiving accounts from the countries listed below. So as long as you confirm that you will be receiving money from these countries, you can click on Submit Request, and then actually Payoneer has to approve this request, so it might take a little bit of time. But as you can see, after they approve it, you will have approved accounts and you will be able to receive money from the countries that you have submitted and that you have been approved of. So hope this helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.